Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today our video topic is how to disable firewall in Windows 11. So the first way is from Windows Security app. For this you have to click on the Start. Next, click on this gear cog. This will open Windows settings. Now from the left pane, select Privacy and Security. Now from the right, select Windows Security. Now click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now Windows Security app appears and here you will find three networks: domain network, private network and public network. Personally, I am using a private network, so I am going on it, but if you are using any domain network or public network, you have to follow exactly the same way. So now click on private network link. Click on the toggle switch under Microsoft Defender Firewall. Turn it off. When user account confirmation pop-up prompts, click on Yes to continue. Now come back to Firewall and Network Protection page again. Now in the same manner, if you are connected to a domain network or public network, just do it the same way I have done right now and disable firewall. The next way is via control panel. For this you have to press Windows key, type Control and hit the Enter key to open up control panel. Now look for Windows Defender Firewall. Here it is. Click on this. On the next Windows, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off link from the left pane. Check the option Turn off Windows Defender Firewall both in the private section and public section. Click on OK. And that's for way 2. Now moving towards way 3, it's through Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. For this you have to press Windows key plus R. Type in wf.msc. Now click on OK. Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security will be open up. Make sure that Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security on local computer is selected. Now go to the Action pane. Click on Properties. The wizard that appears shows Domain Profile by default. But most of us use Public Profile, so let me do that for Public Profile. So go to Public Profile tab. In the State section, click on the drop-down of Firewall State. Choose Off. Click on Apply. Now do the same for Private Profile and Domain Profile and turn off the firewall state in a similar way. Now get back towards way 4, it's Disable Firewall through CMD. For this you have to click on Search from the taskbar. Type in CMD and when command prompt appears from the right, choose Run as Administrator. And when user account control pop-up prompts, click on yes to continue. And once the elevated command prompts open up, you have to copy and paste several commands and hit the enter key. So for disable firewall in Windows 11, you have to using this command. Copy this and paste it here and hit the enter key. And if you come across a Windows security alert window, click on allow access. And after turning off, you will get a notification for the same. In case if you want to re-enable firewall in Windows 11 through cmd command, you have to copy this and paste it here and hit the enter key. In the same manner, you can disable firewall for current user profile and enable as well, and for domain network, private network and public network, you can disable or enable firewall from these commands. You will get all these commands in the description box. Just copy it from here and paste it there. So that's for way 4. The last way 5 by Registry Editor. But before heading towards the steps, we suggest you to have a backup before you make any changes to Registry Editor. Now back to the steps. Click on Start from the taskbar. Type in Regedit. It's R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Press Enter. When UAC dialog box shows up, click on Yes to continue. Now, choose HK local machine by double-clicking on it. Double-click on System. Double-click on Current Control Set. Double-click on Services. Now look for Shared Access. Here it is. Choose this by double-clicking on it. Double-click on Parameters. Double-click on Firewall Policy. Now double-click on Standard Profile. Now go to the right side and find the entry name Enable Firewall. Double-click on this value and set this value data 0 to disable the firewall. Now click on OK. If you have domain environment, then under Firewall Policy, instead of choosing Standard Profile, you have to choose Domain Profile. So double click on this. Here also open the dword value Enable Firewall by double clicking on this and change the data to 0. Press Enter and exit the Registry Editor. Finally, restart your computer to see the effect of modifications. That's all. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might help need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.